Oh my God, you're still here. Great. I've got great news. Sylvia just left, but I gotta tell you this. We are running a flash contest starting now, and it's gonna go until July 31st. All you need to do is sell 25 hospital indemnity or dental, one product per belly button. So don't go doubling up on me. And you're gonna earn 100 points for our next convention. We just got back from Cancun. It was fantastic. Next year, we're going back to Cancun, the Hard Rock. Now, if you are an affiliate or an elite partner, you have to do 60. But between now and the end of July, hospital indemnity, dental, it's going to earn you 100 points of the 150 points that you need to be on our trip next year. So go after it. Stay tuned. We're going to do a lot of webinars. See ya.
Hi, I'm Sylvia Gordon.
And I'm Rebecca Gordon.
Not all of these shows are fascinating, okay? So this one's not. You got to learn the minutia to master this profession. And some of it is just this stuff. It's just trying to figure out who we're working with.
This is kind of like a faucet dripping at night. You're too tired. You don't want to get up, but you can't.
Yeah, I don't
get it out of your mind. It's just,
I don't even know what we're talking about.
It's just kind of nonsense. We're going to talk about our carriers, and we love you changing your names and rebranding. And that's super exciting, but man, I feel like we have enough on our plate. But let's just jump in.
Right. So, well, we can start with NAHU, our national association, which rebranded to some word nobody can say. Nobody knows what it means. I've asked like 100 people.
I think it sounds like a
No,
bird.
not a single person knew what it was. Even
you should
people that would
still
know these
definitely
things.
donate. Maybe we could donate enough to change
So
their
they
name
could
again.
hire somebody to rebrand. Yeah.
I'm going to give that a little bit of an epic
That's
fail.
probably why Janet is retiring, because like she realized what is horrible.
That's a
I
dumb name.
don't think you guys know, but the rebrand was a fail.
Yep,
It was
that's
a
dumb.
fail.
All right, now let's go to Anthem. I think
Anthem, you mean Elevance?
so we're not going to use that. but-
Empire?
So
You mean-
in New York, so Anthem is very interesting. They have their 14 Anthem states, right? And New York has been called
Empire.
Empire. So for this AEP, it will be called Anthem. So that's good. That brings it back into the fold. But all of their AmeriGroup states will now go back to
WellPoint.
which
Which we don't know
any
which
of these.
we don't know which logo it is.
But that's
One of these.
so now we're going back to
Or
WellPoint.
maybe not.
All right, so that's
And that was like 10 years ago.
at least we can pronounce those.
At least it's not going all the way back to Unicare.
Oh my god.
I know. Like you're feeling old there, right? Anyway, everything old is new again.
Amen. Since we're getting older. We're just-
How about
just getting
Medico?
better. Okay, this is the best because if I have any Finding Nemo fans, when you see the name WALLBABE,
ABE.
Wallaby.
We don't know how to pronounce it.
Wallaby.
Wallaby. That's Medico's new brand.
Were they bought by Australians?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Wallaby.
We can't find the logo on the website either. But everybody's
pronounce it.
changing, which does make some disjointedness when you're having a conversation.
Oh,
It
man.
also can create some skepticism with your client because clients like names they've heard of.
Right, absolutely.
You know, like they've heard of,
AARP.
right?
Mutual
Which is why
Omaha.
Conseco was very reluctant to get rid of it, even though they had all those financial troubles.
Mm-hmm.
They didn't get rid of it for a long time, and I think that was
That probably
probably
backfired.
that was a mistake on their part. But getting rid of a well-known name
Yeah.
can be hard because people
We'll
are like,
see.
I never ever heard of you. That's where you go back to the company financials and how long they've been in business and what their rating is, and to
Blah,
try
blah,
to say, hey, I know you've never heard of them, but they're not new. They're like a 100-year-old company, right? So it does create a little wrinkle for you in the sales process, but that's what we're all about, trying to iron out some of these wrinkles for you. So this was an easy episode. Stay tuned next week where we have much more complicated stuff to cover.
Good selling, folks.